The MSI Bravo 15 is a mid-range laptop aimed at content creators and gamers who are looking for a balance between performance and affordability. Here are the key features and specifications of the MSI Bravo 15. Display. The Bravo 15 typically comes with a 15.6-inch IPS display with a full HD resolution. It offers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles for an immersive visual experience. Processor. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen processor, typically ranging from Ryzen 5 to Ryzen 7. These processors provide good multi-threaded performance for content creation tasks and gaming. Graphics. The Bravo 15 usually features an AMD Radeon RX graphics card, specifically the RX 5500M or RX 5600M. These GPUs offer decent gaming performance and can handle demanding tasks like video editing and rendering. Memory and storage. It generally offers options for up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, allowing for smooth multitasking and content creation. As for storage, it usually comes with a combination of a solid-state drive for fast boot times and program loading, along with a larger capacity hard disk drive for storage purposes. Design. The Bravo 15 has a relatively sleek and modern design with a black chassis. It often features red accents and an MSI Dragon logo on the lid. The laptop is built to be durable and portable. Cooling. MSI pays attention to cooling in their gaming laptops, including the Bravo 15. It typically comes with a dedicated cooling system, which includes multiple heat pipes and fans to keep the components cool during demanding tasks. Ports and connectivity. It usually offers a range of ports, including USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and audio jacks. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Keyboard and touchpad. The Bravo 15 typically features a backlit keyboard with decent key travel and a comfortable typing experience. The touchpad is accurate and responsive for smooth navigation. The exact specifications and available configurations may vary depending on the specific model and region. It's recommended to check with local retailers or MSI's official website for the most up-to-date information on the MSI Bravo 15 laptops available in your area.